representatives men of fan kongo tit kin ma yupe ma megi benefit kede men at least dong jebenity streamlined technical team ben longwa ngeo timin wa bene dong kid mano some morning to kono yopti ga bino kede machalo fans yupe ma megu tinining this time Acholi
Afo trial lo win radio wao amero wache machalo fans yupe wati mabe kerebede to mano gale ata mero waje ne yom chuny wada odugo wabir nero lorembwa mawari nenegi chalo langi West Nile pian to mano do kelo wat matek to trial in northern Uganda wiye eketme yupe wati ga choko madit mabibere diri inyimba peye akanya fan weng makana aga mor makana aga noya makti gulukan wabi nyuago lok mapol minero ken mi wot kachel mi chero mbale mirwa tieni kachoko bibere chabu ngwen nyimba peje ikine bene ano report maagi bot fan bodies mapat mati district machuli machalo wiya gi kitgum maga gi pade gi ko ngio tim gi loni real fans ma bero gulukan gi samingi mero jomadong gitika yupe rwamala mal amuro akupe gitika neno ni area men ma wachero wagamo gen gi ye we kachel gi ben gi wot gi tim kachel noya tini gi mimio confirmation mamegi pick up point ma biber gulu piendan we pole bo gathering gulu watigi nyim gurguru gi kona mos area boro luo gi kenyo meno area ma wa designing me pick up point buses watim arranging makome tiga mien wabaj la rem tiga mien baj gi buses mapol tiga bino don wakero wel baj biber ali piera beach mi chero wagi dugo weng kenen mot bali chero gi dugo no wele karo yoni but wa negotiating wa winye wa na ni pian en lotero gang din bene mier gi chui kum gang mero ene wiye yob matie but challenges matie ene wa mero ni watima addressing manong ni to mano gale contact mo keno chot ento ka choka matini no jeme wenti mabe and wa mero bene ni ami ngechi ene ka nen wa chero we are registering cases mo kene ma charo accidents this time omirni wa lowering pe wanong pe ko kreguni te lokani yom chwin polkal kelo chamogo mano chawane popore chalo ko gi tiki guri yo maraj chiro ngomirni ka choke no kon yo minima wana bitiu ko mi obale ge kuch kuno watigi lelo wabi kube gilu dir police minani yo ma wabi wariye obed yo ma ti control and pe wabet ki ayoga kalo jemo keneni ano bineni drivers weng mabidwa mutraka jomati qualified an gitike kero magilobo check kemi wot gi yo bineni wachero mabe dokwa dugu be mabe bene atigi lego funds mati winya chawani ni yobman tie mapera tila mal tutwal wa chole mati Kampala ga chole madong la wa kupe ga chole mati mbali gengiti korwa kuni iwel mapol mokene dong tiga laro ni bi vot ganga bi nen kwere si amero waji bot fan bi ber marach tutwal ka in pe mineno lelo man irwa malamal dong wa bilego beni fan this time wa mero chungilo towa wa mero fan obed independent tegi cha pa fan obi temeni wa ber giri resources ma wa ber repe kachel we kar man kalu togo wa bini kam tije mokene ma wana timo chalme do foj gichunge kaga gichungilo tena choli gibene wana miro loyo and man wabine ni lutugu jemo ken porem we wana dugi wile ni gang ene wiye you paper funds matam no miara bina mi officially and
wow kakare ofo ma chapter 12 Richard ala penyo ti fort ngabati do funds
well ingeo macharo la do funds gen polkare gen giberi ben ki joma gi konyi kin montal merano li mater total amero win ki board notal la dite guru lokum resource mobilization kid montal me yinyulim kelune itim we kulto kon team mabe da you wanene kam ngi gibere ti montal ki kin rano lim ki board dan kam kana kenyo pangi magane strategies mene mabuti ukere montal we kulto limo bien man romo kon team mabe la bon yele mo kan
For your mera, neno watieni per districts, at least your phone or betkichen mramali mia bititagi. Weka were realizing any cases of emergency, chukawe kid go munu mi ali miario, gulu mi ali miario, padeo mi ali miario, amoro mi ali miario. So tien lokani a registered body performs will be very coordination mene at least cheno beri tagi shaiwa. Chirong chene was sub meeting la wa chel but ngata gwako lim mi management meno kirono watemo designing kwede.
Well, Jimmy, tamani maybe ron ka wa meta nyim. Ene lokum lim tigyan ma polkare. Very sensitive ko dugu itu motal me province team. Kara. Kiguma bayare la dit uruni tikany. Uruni ajuri da ko dojo. Amitni ikin ka chawle enini. Itet kila radio. Yini ber dan mo ber kalon we transport car ma like to our team not on province team. Pangeo chakene ingej mamegi kinan mamegi lokum transport tieni ning kidong ben wan ngeni wan te ki bus pa province team. Report ngo makata ki bot motale bus. Team magiti kalo motale lokum bus. Kai logo ngeni imwaga mo karni by dweme beach Macheri ya bichel ka Kenyo, long province team gitiki over 22 million in their account. On record, we are poor lock on. So, around me no update the com lokumbas. Yani wangini gitchen wa me kwenye team mamegwa. Obi ki Kenyo. Waka win kibore.
Afoy matek. Umegi na mati atkan. Ki abira beda kong for actual forge. But management me radio passes me wakare me bion kan kacha pa nywa ko kidano me na ni duki me drum dugu eni oberu gian mabe an bana jala choli wa ai kam wati yen me bion la kara chel me timo gian mabe ameta log particularly madong kumberi kara ye because ana ye anano lokum transport in management me Acholi Province kadonge wajaga man pole long dak e lokum bas angini kumbere kirwa ngini ke kian gang kujado yawo ira
so let me money
ti peke mi arke quoting di modak ma dito twal but an kiat maron wache kere kumbeti ni Acholi Province pedake ga yabo waki negative nyowi zero kiat mai winyo omera mendio wajo kere ada we are po makirana waje keno ngwa tiki million PRRI oke wie ma no dong chilling ti ya account kumbete ngwa mara wache ne wano tiki chente mo and kumbete para mo disclosing the total amount ma watikere waberu ka coordinating however Jimmy mo kaniti yiningeo work no bus obetie ukon chaweng maintenance mo mare tian wano beru tie ti ngwa mara wache ne ameta jing twin funds weng mati wako kuja ki stakeholders mo kene mago bedo ka chung kedwa ikar olo watie ke gimo maperaj ram olo chwalo wa itu ka di mo barange ni almala chien kene wa dugi radio ka donge tika meto wel ego ne weng mano waneno the expenses mo kene tie ma ube what time chal mi maintenance ki barama wachi ki kuber param for disclosing the amount what ikere ki yes, ngamaran watching and basically about the bus.
Well, I'm here paying you, Rooney. You watch any parent be the kind of disclosing well right now. And position my unity financially at the moment, promoting for the province for this game. You confirm that?
Yes.
Because ang yoni kibichako gwakton dura o kwan waban kan command erni. Enjoy no magidon duru bot gini pak wango be the carpet. We mom take a utini ning. So, if you're watching the province, it automatically be earning COVID more the good amount because you still fine king or motikere at the moment.
I have to be very honest to the win radio. Gonna tell ma metani wa awaki the win radio. Duango di gola padano ni. Eni gema pegeka. Beri wati chalo in kumberi kumiyot. Ero mire ngeni cha moy kan ka winya ba wit motio mire nong panadol ko. Yes, ngomaro watching the chilling ma wano tike ne peramo operating the entire ngo. two ma be here for drum for this 5th editions. But anangin the first edition and in the second edition, the first edition, the first game, anangin wabi two wala bon year ma but pigin wa fundraising for the future prospect. Ti ngoma anangin aron wat no me I would have been able to disclose the amount what kere ero gap mo be tie ma atiro be up and down movement. Ti permit ni a watch well mano it is not the exact amount makumbeti tege cha wako. We are that dirga that daron winyu that figure mo kene chino pebe. But ngoma message ma meta watch ke down matila winyu radio kuja. Kake douan dogola. Benike douan dogola ni donga. We are really at a very bad state, but we're not a continuous financial cash inflow. Umiyaro money kenyu tiokberu tie. Kita winyu la dirbe fan waje kene. Ka fan waje kong dong gen ge wako. Kita gen ge waje kene in the respective of the each and every various district. Makenen ge mono biyom tike gamo. Come on. I know any around better bear. I want to assure everyone our bus is in a very good state. Pero mo can pere, watiki bus ma gimo can ma right pere. Kani con the condition of the bus. And I would like to assure you, the win ready you go win gin aroni.
Bus tiga ti chente.
Yes.
Acholi ngeo eroni. Iromo mi gwaka lumo manok kidma ketika berikar me channeling. Berno business ma bus no tiga berikar me tirine kidma channel ketika channeling ketika gwaka kere anga gimati fully in charge katimu ginango with our bus.
Well, Jimmy, I want to ready. Me gamor la pen arone.
Petiar lo kana tirere mi gamla pen arone. Gana na mi orwa yana yeni ma chel na loka gi ka chwa kama ber kere la wo. Unfortunately ko Mr. Rune Berope due to engagement and kere wini yana wajani. We are la pen ma wono tiga pen en kumbere ni. Answer mano miar eno mio pero bir accurate kiri winyi way la gam ano nena tieni ba chalo won o yub kare chu luong bas ko mi to bi na dio ka kai ti geno ter ge daro keta go chao ke chene keta go ti ge chene ge keta go gwa ke chene piani la pen eni bana e la pen ma management mi yo board ni won o kele wa report financial report kita wono tiyo kere gimo takawa si ukelo gi ker report en gi presenting andong na tin kata gini gen pa chwele ne wono yum ne gi jonne gen mo ker report go mi barat a chwele kain we are not a penye pero bedgar karong ne no rujo gi no to the dot
Again, there's one thing man party kan yang erani. Machalo bus management team. And I believe ni always business for bus tiga very karmi tiba neni. No one very karmi libu karo ngio erni time kan tiga kan kuja. Pingo dokong chama kena kaki penye lagi tuara kuma erno you don't have the right figures. Yet I believe ni you compile everything almost every day you can write every week. Gap tika mo
a gap pati kamo kay na ano ket ma management structure tikere Mr. Rooney technically his roles on the transport is to make sure the team have adequate transport for moving from one playing ground to the next, or internal or external movement. So Kare Kelo is also part of the bus committee. So Kare Kelo into depth there are other people mageti with more direct roles in collecting money and giving out the buses. Of the bus down running, and this of course he formed that committee, but MBT well, ere pedom temi or waje and kumata na konya waje. Well, angel and kumeperamo bero figure again because I'm very sure program chair make and pangara more power by killing at the already, killing at the winner, the wrong confirming.
Fine.
There are people Matemu.
Ivan, I understand point Metiga here. It's really okay. We shall find time or very carmen tackling a local issue. But compare just for the record. Rooney bus committee erti dan maramati.
Yes, and the pen more
just that we want to Kenya.
Work on a breaking on my bay at the committee.
Yes.
Bus committee kita winyo. Oma yaro temo wachne aro breke lokere ni watie down maramo a beach. Watiki chairperson pa bus, watiki finance, watiki secretary. So keto ini me I'm the coordinate. Actually I'm the bridge between the bus management, the bus committee and the management. majone ka kep mago tiyo kere they have to account bora where nge what is it inside ti ingeo ka nen period money cha mano fu pego beyond accountability bago disclosing this is what we have into our account and gen ma wan expenses be ka man watimo gen ka man no furi I will not be able mikelo gen me wa no mabe so practically kiri winyu kere I'm just interior and exteriors mineno ni the team, the Acholi Province team, they must be well established in all their movement. Ti ngoma arama wachone eno.
Amiti no ko met kong kila radio we kung ni. These are the people maguber ka handling bus. Okay?
Yes.
Anga mati won kom gi nye en wa mir because port ya mir title ni ako won kom ko la kan lim ko nga mati ka lo wi bus. La karan giti anga kono yini la kan lim.
Actually, just tell us the 5 of you.
Yes.
Una yanga gi kiro chako teach awene for how long dong?
Watiku Karamambo, Watiki
Mambo teach hello.
the chairperson
Okay.
of the bus. Watiki Rubakene Geoffrey is the finance of the bus. Watiki Agnes Irene. Watiki the former coach. He was part of the what? It was the Akena Geoffrey. Yes, he was. He has been. He is the part of the bus committee management.
Still active up to now.
Nah, not really, because with the endeavor, I don't know, with West Nile, he is not active. The only thing, maybe sometime he could just like the idea in case of anything.
Okay, he's part of the 5 people.
Yes, he's part of the 5 people.
Fine.
Yes.
When we karma Roma for how long?
I must say, Jomo Kennedy, go beyond no another system. Remember being in the province for long.
Okay.
Yes, Jomo Kennedy madong due to perke mo berkateme here and then they had to go. Pini chamo Kennedy pera when ready around pini yindong manaka yan ti province here come here goes put it here. So Jomo Kennedy manong okay laying off due to yin bening pedong ya da waj madong. Yes.
Okay.
Jimmy, amir penyuruni magiki. In fact, it's a request. When I meron ke wakakain ni the bus committee team before me even weekend mabinyan rama.
Monday, we are very ready to come.
I think Eroni we shall organize out of here. I mean, no, Akima Rombe Carmen Kenebota funds. No, the bus committee, member Acholi Province. We are very Carmen Nongola Gamma Port Manu Daniel. Every day is sports show. People would ask. But Machala one, Tijome conveying, we don't have the answers. Kapewa no meno about one. Otherwise, for ritual, meno for the much information we very Carmen Makwaro committee meno me bus. Meno for Acholi Province. Chamo me gwati wangwech. We don't care about 10 minutes again. We're wrapping. Meno this conversation. We're looking about Iva. Na then the Ben